Respect to this owner for driving all his exotics every day. He drives his SVJ to work almost every day. And there's even a 992 GT3 Touring. Nice spec. So these two are owned by the same owner. He also owns a CGT, a manual gated Murcielago, and converted into an SV, a Aventador SVJ, and a couple other cars. And this is his new toy. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so I am here at a secret underground garage, and there are so many abandoned cars underneath here. Look at this just abandoned safety car, Alfa Romeo 4C. Look at all the dust on this car. Wow, it's been here for a while. And there is another 4C, same, super dusty. And we got some Jeeps here, and got a cop car. Look at all these dusty cars. These cars have been here for a very long time. Look at all these dust. And look at the suspension on this car. It's done. Even got a Hellcat over here. But guys, this is something else. I think these two are the only convertible Dodge Challengers. Look at it. Yeah, you can see the line, the front end, and the wheels. Yeah, I think these are the convertibles. You see all the Dodge cars being stored here, so yeah, you can see the line. Convertible Challenger. Wow. And there's even a freaking Viper abandoned as well. This car has been here for over 2 years, at least. Wow. Such a sad sight. Yep. Oh, and there is a pink splitter right there. And here we have the Monte Carlo and two Honda Prelude. Super clean. But I'm not sure if these are abandoned. It's super clean, but these cars have been here for over 2 years as well. Wow, look at it. And look at the license plate. Specialty and Magic Age. Look at the interior. These two are super clean. You would never have thought that these cars would be in a underground garage, like 8 floors down. It just goes round and round and round. Oh, nice. And here we have a Mach 1. Alright guys, so here just came randomly across these abandoned cars. Got the Datsun 280ZX and a couple old BMWs from the 1960s, 70s. old Mercedes as well, because these cars has been sitting here for over 20 years, some of them maybe 30. You see the registration in the back. Look at this. It's abandoned in a random apartment right here. This one was last registered in 2015. This one was 2006. This one might be 94. It's an old California plate. And this one, 2000. And the Datsun, I think 95. It's been sitting here collecting dust. Jeez. Yep. You see the flat tires. Even got a fire extinguisher in there. And a racing seat. Some of them rusted. Wow. Even got some old magazines in there. Been sitting here for years.